As you can see, the blizzard has finally passed. We are looking at the aftermath, and there is my car, still entombed in its icy grave. Hopefully school is canceled tomorrow, so I don't have to take on the endeavor of digging it out. That is something I particularly do not feel like doing. As you can see over here, once I zoom it, there you go. Durango has been partially entombed, but it is still waiting to be completely liberated from its icy grave. I tell ya, when I see sights like this, the second blizzard, in only about 2 or 3 months, I think 3, it makes you wonder how people can say there's global warming. Of course, I try not to get too political in these little home videos, but being the political person I am, I cannot help myself. I cannot help myself at all. There's the house. It'll probably be a while before the backyard is entombed, and I'll make sure I get some photos of that for these memories. And I figure in the time I have left, I will show the little trenches that I, Dave, and Mr. Dave have dug. There's the backyard. There's the backyard fence. Yeah, baby, it didn't open in for a little while. You may just be able to see the trench that Mr. Dave and Miss Sherry have dug for their dog Winston. Crazy stuff, man, crazy stuff. Well, I'm about out of time, so I will bid you all adieu.